How to watch local channels on YouTube TV. Want to watch your local news, sports, and regional programming on YouTube TV? Here's how to access local channels step by step. So, start by signing into your YouTube TV on your app or at the website. So, click on sign in at the top right of your screen to sign into your account. Now, once you're signed into your account, you'd be redirected into this section. So from here, you need to enter your home zip code. This determines which local channels you get. Once your location is set, YouTube TV automatically adds local stations like ABC, CBS, Fox, NBC, and PBS to your lineup. You'll find them in the Live tab alongside with the national networks. Select a local channel to watch live or use the cloud DVR feature to record shows, news, or sports so you can watch later. If you travel, YouTube TV may temporarily show local channels from your current location, and keep in mind using a VPN can block or confuse local channel access. The best part is you don't need extra hardware, so just sign in, set your location, and stream local channels instantly. And that's how to watch local channels on YouTube TV.